This is the first trending topic.
Yeah,
So, this morning Sakina came in with just this. Just this.
We don't like how you do
These are the only things she walk with today. No big bag, no hat, this alone.
What you doing, sir?
You want to know how I go on.
Big up the designer, big up the designer. I'm too bad I tell you. But yes, that's all I brought today.
No wig, no nothing. I'm not looking
There's no wig, there's no nothing. You can look in there, there's nothing
surprised,
in there.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah.
Watch out. Nothing in there. That's no money. Watch out. This in there. Not at the first.
Yes, it was a first for me today. I felt actually kind of naked. I was like, oh my gosh, what's the rest of my stuff? But it works. So can I get into the trending topics now since you've exposed my life to the world? All right, no one saw this one coming. At 2 p.m. in Philadelphia, an 86-year-old woman enters a bank, pushing a stroller, held out a .38 caliber revolver and started demanding money. Yes, the bank manager handed over $400 and then called the police. The gun wasn't loaded, but it was reported that she had bullets in her handbag.
I mean, grandma.
I don't know if this was like a bucket list kind of thing.
Has to be.
It must have been.
Has to be. 86 years old?
I don't know. Or a deer, I'm not sure, but why would she?
There's a movie with, I think it's Morgan Freeman and De Niro when them close to death and then go rob a bank to save them friend.
You feel like that?
Yeah, I feel like something like that.
And then $400 though? That's all the bank manager gear after all the trouble she got through.
That's a bucket list thing, man. Bucket list, has to be. When she got prison now?
I don't know. Them can't lock her up for long. For $400? And it wasn't armed robbery.
Yeah, it was unharmed.
Unharmed?
Bullets in the bag. $400. No, man.
But yeah, it must have been a bucket list thing. I don't see what other reasoning.
I just talk about buckets.
Because it costs money for ammunition.
Yeah.
So, I know money she need.
Maybe.
Maybe.
But they talk about buckets. On Wednesday, several streets in Montego Bay flooded.
Yep.
And you could use a bucket to get that out. You know, extensive flooding following the heavy rains the island has been experiencing. People had to seek refuge on multi-story buildings. Flooding caused serious traffic congestion. The estimated cost of repairs, $20 million.
Wow. Have you guys seen the footage of that? I don't know if they have any of the footage to play for you, but pictures are being shown. And yeah, these are, I said the insurance company, them supposed to ball. But there's a thing that is an issue with Mobe. The sewers, the drainage system has been clogged for a very, very long time. What happens is every time it rains, it washes down some silt and it washes down some dirt and it clog up a little more and it clog up a little more and it clog up a little more and it clog up a little more. Well, them left it and them don't clean it again. I'm calling out to you, NWA. This is your job.
Me a call out to the people in Mobile. Stop dirty up the place.
No, it's not just dirt.
The garbage.
No, but it's not just garbage. That's what I'm saying. It's not just garbage. It's silt. It's dirt. It's actual dirt. And if that is not cleared, then that is what's going to happen. I mean, did you see? It's like...
But you know that Dome Street was once a river.
Well, yes, a riverbed.
Riverbed.
Yeah. So if you leave it, then it's going to come back and claim what it... If you're not clean up the hole, them and you're not take out the blockage, then that is what is going to happen. $20 million?
Stop dashing the garbage down there.
All right. I take extra points. Stop throwing your garbage down there. But also, I still a call to Uno at the NWA to make sure so them drain the clean, please. All right, on to a little bit more somber news. Hundreds were killed in a mosque attack in Egypt, leaving over 200 dead. This is reported to be the deadliest attack on Egyptian soil, and the Egyptian president vows to respond with brutal force. It is said to bear all the hallmarks of ISIS. We're at a very strange time in the world. I think everyone is on edge. I think everyone feels like they have something to stand up for, and in standing up, they might not stand up necessarily the right way, and because it just causes all this loss of life. And I feel so sad every time I have to read something like this.
Yeah, and you know, Bob Marley said, there'll be wars and rumors of wars, and the word them said the hallmark of ISIS or whatever, and people are going to retaliate.
Yeah, and that's the thing. Exactly. Instead of it being, all right, let's find a peaceful way to solve this situation, it's like, oh, you box me, I go find you. I give me next treat, I go box you back for 2 years, and that is exactly how people are living now. I don't know what we can do to make it better, because it's right around the world that this is happening.
And Egypt has had its own turmoil in years gone by when they seized Cairo a couple of years ago. And they're just coming back, you know. They qualified for the World Cup the other day, so the morale had been lifted.
You would know that, don't so they qualify for World Cup.
The morale had been lifted. So when these things happen, it's
a step back.
Man.
It's a step back.
More than a step back.
And war is never pretty. War is never welcomed. Loss of life doesn't help. So,
just love one another, man.
And you know what? Us bawling out for them to love one another really doesn't do anything because we're not in the situation at the moment.
You know what we need to do? What we can do?
What can we
love
do?
ourselves. Love our people in our nation. Be an example. If it reaches any, but be an example.
Yeah.
Love ourselves.
On the roads every day. I know it's hard to drive on the roads now, and everybody is always blowing, and everybody is calling and cussing and whatever. But today, before you press your hand, before you push your head out of the car and tell somebody about them parts and all sorts of
the taxi
things,
want to cut me off the other day.
Please, just think twice today.
Remember
if you cuss one less person,
remember your license plate number.
it will go a big way. Let's try to be nice to each
other
today, people.
Because you almost run me off the road.
He's not going to cuss you. Because
No,
you're going to be the one person that he's not going to cuss today. We're going to be kind to each other today.
Yeah, today just...
It's an awesome day. It's my sister's wedding day, so let's just be kind to everybody.
And somebody have a birthday today, no?
Yeah, when you find it, we'll talk about it. That's it for trending topics.
No, forget. Oh, the
You
birthday?
still look my birthday?
Rakayla Scarlett.
Okay, all right.
Greetings from mom, dad, and other family members. And my aunt celebrated her birthday this week. Auntie Audrey, love you.
Happy birthday, guys.
Come with some soup.
Happy birthday, you for
cake? No?
care, guys.
Say 50.